6:30. Good morning, traders. My name is Chohan, and welcome to the trades of the day. First steps first. Check our economic calendar. Find out what's going on today. Clear our filters. Down. Indicate United States. Further down, indicate our maximum level of importance. Find out what we have. Okay, today for Tuesday, August 30th, we have the CB Consumer Confidence at 9 Central Standard Time and Jolt job openings for July Central Standard Time. Both of them not huge market movers. However, they will be an indicator on is inflation cooling or is it not? Those are the only questions that the market is concerned with currently. So let's go ahead and find our trades. First things first, we see here that our session range thus far is the high of 4072.75 and the low of 4026.75. Obviously, quite a big gap. Our only consideration is this value, this range, the gap between the high and the low, greater than 15 points? And in our case, it absolutely is. So that's switch one, right? Rule one. Second rule, we're going to look at our current price, which is 4062.75. Right. Our first consideration is to say, is this value less than or equal to 5 points below our high or 5 points above our low? And we can see here that yes and yes. Third step, place the trades. We're going to go ahead and place our long trade first. No specific reason, but only because, it's closer on the price ladder here. And also price action is closer to the current high. Right. Our session high is 4072.75. We can see it indicated here on this line. So we're going to set our entry for the long order 2 points below this value at 4070.75. Buy stop. And we're going to set our exit at the current session high, 4072.75. That's done. Now we're going to set our short trades, just in case the market retraces this entire value. Way down here. But it could happen. All right. This red line here indicates our current session low. We're going to go 2 points above that at 4028.75 will be our short entry. And 4026.75 will be our buy to cover or our short exit. Okay. And that's it. Plan the trade. Trade the plan. You'll see here our trades are indicated on this bracket. It's obviously quite further towards the high end of our range, right? Our current price action. And we're going to set both of them to day orders, obviously, just in case one does not get filled. By the end of the trading session, it will automatically terminate. All right. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button right there so you can see when I do go live. Lastly, Twitter at Chohan Capital One. All of these trades will be placed in a text format on a daily basis. As soon as I end this live stream here, I'm going to go to Twitter, input the exact values that you just saw me place in real time, and so you can track it that way. Quick thing, just as something to be aware of, okay? Right now, currently, this is not always true, but it is true right now, that there is a quite interesting inverse correlation between oil and the markets. Okay, specifically, we'll watch the West Texas Intermediate or WTI and the E-mini S&P 500 for our purposes. Now, what does an inverse correlation mean? Very fancy term, but simply that means that when one price of this security goes up, the other one goes down, or vice versa. So in our case, currently, oil prices are going down today so far. Therefore, the market prices are going up. Okay, it's just an interesting thing to watch. This is not always true. All markets don't always have a specific correlation, meaning either they move together up and down or opposite of one another. Currently, it's inverse, meaning opposite. This is very, very, very obviously because oil prices directly affect gasoline and all fuel prices. Okay, because oil is refined into just a million different things. But for our purpose, we'll say fuel at the pump and then fuel for certain industries. If you'll think airlines, huge majority of their costs, I think it's something around 40% of an airline's cost comes simply from fuel. So if that price is going down, right, that means fuel prices are going down. So fuel prices, especially at the pump, are an excellent indicator of inflation worries. Okay, and they're a measure used in calculating overall inflation. Right, not the core CPI, which excludes food and fuel, but that does not matter. Okay, what we're looking at is the overall inflation picture. So, what does the consumer interact with on a daily basis that costs more today than it did a year ago? Nothing else matters currently. So, please, if you have time, do a quick study.